Example: constant force acting on a 8 kg mass change. Its speed from 2 meter per second to 3.8 meter per second in 25 seconds. If the direction of motion of the body remains unchanged, calculate the magnitude and the direction of the force. Let's see the solution. Let's take an example of Newton's second law of motion. Given values are: m is equal to 8 kg, u is equal to 2 meter per second, v is equal to 3.8 meter per second, t is equal to 25 seconds, f is equal to ma is equal to m into v minus u divided by t is equal to 8 into 3.8 minus 2 upon 25. Force is equal to 0.58 Newton. Because the direction of motion does not change but magnitude of velocity increases, therefore force must act along the direction of motion.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.